Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can remove hyperlink from PDF file. So let me go here and show you how the PDF file looks. So this one is sample demo file, and now here you can see I have one link. So if you want to remove this type of hyperlinks from your PDF files, how you can do that? So first of all, let me go here and type canva.com. And now here you can go and upload your files from your laptop. Let's click on arrow, and after that upload the file. Now select the file from laptop, this one, and now here you can see file is uploading. Click on view button, then click on the file, and now you can zoom in, then scroll up and click on the link, then click on pencil icon, and now you can replace the link. If you want to delete it, then you can go here and click on the move button, and now here you can see link is removed. So now if you want to change the text color to black, then you can select this one. After that, click on share button, then download it in PDF format.